The old street of Qilu in Haikou is like a vivid historical painting, slowly unfolding before people's eyes. It carries the memories and stories of this city, witnessing the passage and change of time. Stepping into the old street of Qilu, a strong historical atmosphere greets you. The South Sea style buildings stand here, with their unique posture, as if telling of past glories. The appearance of the arcade is full of exotic charm. The floors are not too high, yet they look dignified and elegant. Elaborate carvings, unique arcades, and colorful windows all showcase the craftsmanship and wisdom of the builders. Most of these arcade buildings were constructed in the early 20th century, and after weathering the passage of time, their slight mottling adds a touch of historical depth. The charm of history. Strolling along the streets of the old town, the cobblestone pavement underfoot seems to narrate past stories with its uneven texture. On both sides of the street are a variety of shops, including traditional tea houses and snack shops, as well as modern cafes and craft shops. Shop signs sway gently in the breeze, evoking a strong sense of life. Here, you can savor authentic Hainan cuisine, such as qingbuliang and coconut rice, allowing your taste buds to indulge in a feast of flavors. You can also purchase unique handcrafted items. Artworks such as coconut carvings and shell carvings can be taken home as precious souvenirs. Every building in the arcade streets has its own story. Some arcades were once the residences of wealthy merchants, witnessing their glory, brilliance and glory. Some arcades are the residences of ordinary people, bearing their lives and dreams. The stories behind these buildings are like vivid historical novels, leaving a lasting impression. In the depths of the old street, there are some ancient temples and ancestral halls, which are important carriers of traditional culture. They are also the heart of people. Here, people devoutly worship their ancestors, praying for peace and happiness. Besides the architecture and culture, the humanistic charm of Qilu Old Street is also fascinating. Here, you can see leisurely strolling elderly people, children playing, and busy vendors. Their faces are filled with simplicity. Sincere smiles show a love and satisfaction for life. The residents of the old street still maintain a traditional way of life, chatting and drinking tea under the arcade, basking in the sun, enjoying leisurely times. This slow-paced lifestyle conveys a sense of tranquility, peaceful and tranquil, as if time has slowed down here. As night falls, the arcade street gradually lights up, colorful lights making the arcades even more beautiful and enchanting, as if stepping into a dream. At this moment, the old street is filled with a romantic atmosphere, attracting many tourists to enjoy performances by street artists, the lights emanating from the shops, and the sounds of people's laughter, all weaving together to form a beautiful night scene. Haikou Qilu Old Street is not only an iconic building of Haikou, but also the Wenhua. The treasure attracts tourists from all over the world, with its unique South Sea charm and rich historical heritage. Here, people can feel the blend of history and modernity, the clash of tradition and innovation. It is like a dazzling pearl, shining on the edge of the South Sea, adding endless charm and splendor to this city. Whether locals or tourists, everyone can find their own sense of wonder and beauty in Haikou Qilu Old Street.